Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn about ELM 327 OBD Port 2 diagnosis tool. It is very useful in reading the fault codes and the reason for the check engine light on. It has 16 pins. Two of them here which are taller than the other pins are ground and signal ground. The number sequence starts from right to left, 1 to 8 and 9 to 16. So here coming to the Yezdi Adventure. Yezdi Adventure from 2023 model has OBD port 2. Of them, red is 12 volts, black is ground, white with green is scan high, white with yellow line is scan low. When the check engine light is on, you can connect this to our OBD port and read the reason for it and read the fault codes. So here we have 1 2 3 4th one is ground and 6th pin is scan high, and 1 2 3 13 14 is scan low, and 16th pin is red wire, that is 12 volts. Using this device we can read fault codes prior to the check engine light on. So it is very useful to diagnose the performance of your engine before something wrong occurs. So I will show you a sample connection. So these are the 4 wires I arranged here. I connect it to the 4th pin from top and 16th pin at the bottom end. Towards the left last pin, that is 16 12 volts, and 4th pin is the ground. And I connect another wire to pin number 6, that is scan high, that will be connected to white with green line, and right opposite to the 14 pin, that is connected to white with yellow line. These are used in establishing the communication. I will soon upload a video this connecting to OBD port of Yezdi Adventure. Stay tuned.